Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where a creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today we're back with another project using the Beary Christmas suite of products. So we have the Memories and More card pack, the Memories and More cards and envelopes. We're also going to be using the Adhesive-Backed glitter sequence and maybe possibly the Beary Christmas Designer Series paper. I did not get the stamp set in the punch that goes with this suite, but I did get, or the embossing folder, but I got everything else. So before we get started on our project, let's go ahead and go over the buzzworthy business of the day. And we're going to start with our September paper pumpkin kit with love and gratitude that makes 8 note cards in treat boxes or treat packages. And it has a Lost Lagoon stamping spot. And then there's an add-on of an 8x10 journal that comes with 2 specialty gold foil sticker sheets. The item number is 163270, and the cost is $15 for that add-on. That's the journal there. And you get the sneak peek of our stamp set for that paper pumpkin kit. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Again, a reminder to redeem your bonus days coupons that you earned from last month's purchases. If you do not plan on making a purchase to use your coupons, you can gift them to someone else. So just keep that in mind. They have to be used by August 31st. Next up, we have our August 2023 host code. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. Next up, we have our mystery boxes. These are the boxes that I have for sale. They're medium flat rate boxes from the USPS that I'm charging $40 each for. They're filled with plus or minus $200 in new, used, and all retired Stampin' Up product. Shipping is included in that $40 price, so you're basically getting the box for $20. That is a steal of a deal. $200 worth of products for 20 bucks. I can only sell these in the US, and if you're interested, go ahead and email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Lastly, I want to tell you about our kits. All of our kits on the online store are on sale this month. I believe it's a 30% off sale, but I'm not sure. But if you go to stampinup.com/kits, you can see all the kits there and learn more about the sale, okay? Now, that is all of our buzzworthy business. So let's get started on our cards. I have some quick and easy cards for you today. So first, we're going to start with a blue card base from the Memories and More cards and envelopes. And here's the envelope that's going to go with this card. We have one of our 4x6 cards here. It says Season's Greetings, and this is the back side. This side matches some of the paper in the Designer Series paper that goes with this suite. And we're going to add this to some real red cardstock. And I believe I cut the 4x6 down to 5 3/4 and 3 3/4 and made the basic red 4x6. I believe that's what I did. We're just gonna pop this on here. And then I decided for this, I'm gonna go ahead and decorate the inside. And these measurements for the inside pieces are the same as the outside pieces. Come on, stick down. We're just gonna go ahead and put this on the inside of the card. So the inside is just plain white, and this is just to jazz it up a bit. You can leave it plain if you like. But that's it for this card. And I think I want to put some embellishments on there. So where did I put those adhesive dots? Or glitter sequence, adhesive-backed glitter sequence. So since this card is so plain, not plain, but simple, quick, I want to add some bling on it. So let's do some green. Man, that stuck down faster than I was anticipating. I do 2 little ones and 1 big one. Just like that. And that's that card done. Quick and simple. Okay. Let's see. The next card is basically the same. Quick and simple. So here's the second card base that comes in this pack with the second envelope. And we're going to be using this card that says Merry Christmas. And this is the back side. So let's go ahead. Now what I like about the red card base is that you can have the solid red at the top, or if you flip it, you can have it at the bottom. So it doesn't matter to me which is which, but we're going to do that. And for this card, I'm going to add a sticker. I think I'm going to add a bear. A little bear. Let's see. Do we want them? Yeah, let's put them about right here. Little bear looking off into the distance. Then do we want some sequins on this? Why not? Where did I put my take your pick tool? Let's see. For this one, let's do some blue. Let's do some blue. Come on, blue. These are nice. These are so flat. It's called glitter sequins, but they're flat. They're cute. Okay, that's that card done. Quick and easy, right? But it's cute. Okay, so you don't, I love these memories and more packs because you don't have to do a lot if you don't have much time. So our next one is another red card base. And we're going to be using some of the Dazzle, more Dazzle specialty paper. And I cut this at 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. And we're just going to adhere this 4 by 3 card. But I think I'm going to need some tearing tape to adhere this one. Oh, tearing tape is gone. Let me get another one. We have more, no worries. So this one I'm going to use tearing tape because it needs to adhere to that dazzling paper. The Dazzle paper, more Dazzle. So we're going to get that adhered down quickly here. Just going to sit this in the middle of our Dazzle paper. And I think I'm going to just go ahead and put more tearing tape instead of glue. It's quick and easy, so why not? Okay, burnish it down and make it easier to peel off the backings. And then we're going to just put this on here like so. And then we're going to add a little bear and a tree, the Christmas tree. Let's pop this little middle thing out. Nope. We got the middle sticking on there. I think I'm going to add him right here. Then we have a couple of stars I could add on. Maybe put some up here. One here. And let's do one, whoop, one down there. Just like that. And that card is done. And here's the envelope for that. So let's bring back the other 2 cards that we put together. Let's do it this way. And then this one. So aren't these cute? Real quick and easy cards, right? No stamping, but you still get a nice Christmas card to send out to your loved ones. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.